So, hi all. This is my Python project that I have made for the competition that is held by World Robotics, and the topic is for to save environment. So, I just show you the code. Now you can look at this, and after that I will run the code. Now you can look. Okay, now I will run the code as you see. Yeah. In the first, it will ask you, is you ready to save the earth? Now you can type yes or no, like it's the starting. Now if you type yes, you can enter it, and now it will first ask you to enter your age, like my age is 13, so enter it. And now it will show like an average man dumps about 4 kilograms of waste daily. In that 2 kg will be recyclable, so you have so in that the 2 kg will be reduced like from all. So per 4 kg 2 kg will be reduced, like the half will be only counted. So we have already dumped 9490 kilograms of waste, so it's really too much. Now it will ask you like that, and then it will ask you one more question, one another question. Do you own a vehicle? Yes, if you have yes, then type yes, or no. Then if you have yes, then type no. So I don't have a vehicle, so I just type no. Okay, after that it will ask you, do you burn plastics? Now if you are going to give yes, you can give like yes, I think so. For me it's no, I give it. Do you waste water? So now also I didn't waste any water, so I will give no. And the next question is, do you waste energy? Like electricity is the source. Electricity is the energy source that we have. So no. With all that, we can now I can see my point table. Like 20 out of 20, I am eligible to live in this environment. Like that, it is on a code that checks you that you are good for this environment, like suitable for this environment, by asking questions that should not be done or done by living on this environment. Now I can run it again and show you some other answers, and like first if you give no, then it will like it's not good. If you give no, save or no, okay. Then after that if you give yes, and then under age 13 I will give like I can give like 40. Like that's the limit I have on it can waste. Okay. Then do you want a vehicle? You can give yes. If that shows like this, does your vehicle has a base BS6 or BS4 engine? Like BS4 engine is old one, so if you have that vehicle that you need to change because it causes too much pollution. Now BS6, the latest version that is does not cause pollution like more than BS6. More BS4 is more than BS6 causing pollution. So I have BS6. Like I can show you the BS4 also in the answer. Now I give BS6. Okay, do you burn plastics? Last time I give no, now I can give yes. Now do you think it's you do you check it's recyclable? Now I can set no. Yeah, they're showing that you need to check if it is recyclable or not. Now do you next question, do you waste water? Yeah, I said yes. Okay, just look at those people who are trying to get water and you're wasting water. Just think about it, like wasting water is not a good job. So now there will be another bonus. Now after that, do you waste electricity? Yes, now yes. Okay. Our our resources are very expensive, so it's use it wisely because the energy like the dams and all the things are very expensive, like solar. solar very expensive, so use the electricity wisely. Okay, now there's the point table. Now we can see the point table. Like I have 5 marks out of 20 for these answers. Probably not, but try to change. Let the answer for the main question, that you are ready or not to live in this environment, like you are suitable or not, like you are eligible or not. Okay, then I run it one more time, change the answers. Now I give one for 14. Do you want a vehicle? I give yes. Then I type BS4. Okay, BS4 engine I give. Okay, you need to change the vehicle cause the pollution caused by your vehicle is too much. Yeah, the BS4 engine causes more pollution. Now the next question: do you burn plastic waste? Waste. Okay, in that I give first time I give like yes, yeah. First time I give no, second time I give yes, and after that no, yes. So now I give yes, and then the second question: do you check it's recyclable? So last time I gave yes, now I will give no. Okay, after that you need to check it if it is recyclable or no. Now last time I gave it a recyclable, I think it's no. So I will run it again to show you what will be answer. Do you burn plastic waste? I say yes. Do you think it's recyclable? No. Last time I gave no, now I will give yes. Okay, good. Like do you change like the waste plastic waste, like you need to check it is recyclable or not. You can see there an arrow mark in the plastic covers and the value of the recyclable. Okay, in that we get okay, good. Next question: do you waste water? I give no. No, I don't waste water. Do you waste electricity? Yes, I do. Yes. Now our energy resources are very expensive, so use it wisely. We get no marks in the last question. Before that, I don't waste electricity, so 5 marks. To check it's recyclable, so it's 10 marks. Do you own a vehicle? No, no. That's used to be a mark because in that question there is another sub question. So we need to make the marks tally, so I give it like that. So this is my Python project. I think all of you liked it, and if you have any suggestions, contact me. I will give you my Gmail ID at last. Okay guys, bye all. Stay home, stay safe.